This is a dish with an explosion of numbing, spicy, sour, and sweet flavors. Kung Pao Chicken. Hello everyone, I'm Zhuo. Today I'm gonna share with you guys how do I make Kung Pao chicken from scratch. Roast 50 grams of raw peanuts at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After roasting, place them in a sealed container and shake to remove the skins. Then, sift out the peanut skins. Cut 30 grams of dried chilies into about 1 cm segments. Slice 30 grams of garlic. ,30 grams of old ginger. And cut 30 grams of scallion white into small segments. Cut 300 grams of chicken breast or tenderloin into bite-sized pieces, roughly 1.5 cubic centimeters. Don't forget to remove the tendons from the chicken tenderloin. Combine the chicken pieces with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 10 grams of Shaoxing wine, and 10 grams of potato starch. Stir until there's no visible liquid in the bowl. Mix 20 grams of Shaoxing wine, 10 grams of rice vinegar, 10 grams of soy sauce, 10 grams of sugar, 3 grams of potato starch, and 60 grams of drinking water. Stir until everything is well combined. Make sure your pan is hot enough. Add 20 grams of cooking oil. ,5 grams of Sichuan peppercorns, and 30 grams of dried chili segments. Stir fry until the dried chili slightly darken in color. Add the marinated chicken pieces and fry briefly for a few seconds. And then continue to stir fry. After stir frying and separating the chicken pieces, add the prepared ingredients. After stir frying until aromatic and the chicken pieces has a light brown color, remix the sauce and add it to the pan. Stir fry until the sauce thickens. Then add the roasted peanuts. Give it a quick stir fry, and it's ready to be served. Let's quickly review the cooking process. Ensure that the pan and oil are hot enough. Cook over high heat throughout. Stir the chicken and sauce thoroughly before adding to the pan. That's how I make Kung Pao chicken from scratch. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. See you next time. Ciao!